Good afternoon. This is Kate Weatherwise with another weather update on January 6, 2026. It is 12:30 on the Pacific Coast and 3:30 on the East Coast. I'm continuing to focus on the West Coast because that is where all of the weather is taking place. And specifically, the state of Washington and Oregon, you're seeing winter storm warnings along with North Idaho. Winter storm warnings. We have winter weather advisories in eastern Washington, Idaho, and Montana, with high wind warnings also in western Montana, and a red flag warning down in the Front Range of the Rockies, where there has been some fire activity that I will be talking about in a moment. And as we take a look at the rapid refresh model, we see this system continuing to come in, bringing rain in the lowlands of Washington and Oregon and snow and heavy snow into the mountains and snow in the eastern Washington, North Idaho, and Montana. This snow will begin to taper off later this afternoon and this evening into eastern Washington first, and then Idaho and Montana second. As we take a look at the satellite imagery with radar enhancement, we see this system continuing to come ashore, bringing with it southwest winds. However, the lower layers of the atmosphere are staying pretty cold. So except for the southeast part of Washington state and the lowlands of western Washington, the Cascades are getting heavy snow, and eastern Washington and North Idaho are getting snow as well. And of course, western Montana is going to be getting in on that also. And as we take a look at what the winds are going to be doing for the rest of today, the winds are set to pick up this afternoon and be gusting to over 20 miles per hour for eastern Washington. And of course, western Montana, you are always getting in on the wind, and down into mountainous regions, you're going to see some wind today too. But going to Colorado, what I spoke about before, you all have a red flag warning that has sparked a couple fires, and that is concerning, but local authorities there will be obviously keeping an eye on things. But yes, there is a red flag warning for the Front Range of the Rockies, and this is a continuation from what has been seen over the past couple of days. Now, all of this is unfolding as we speak, and these are things that I will continue to keep an eye on. So this is Kate Weatherwise saying bye for now.